Sienna, you know who was here last night? Santa Claus came. Come here. Come here, I want to show you something. Oh, it's too dark for the camera. Look, Sienna, come on. Turn that one on. No, look in the living room. Look in the living room. Santa Claus was here. He brought you a kitchen and a table and chairs.
Look at your kitchen.
That's what Santa brought you. That's for you. It's for Sienna. That's for Sienna. You gonna call Santa and tell him thank you? Aww.
Hello.
You calling Santa? Don't hit things. Put the phone back on the hook. Hello, Santa. Your Dada to help you?
What?
Phone in the sink. Sienna, is there a microwave and a stove?
Yeah.
It opens. Maybe. You're welcome, sweetie.
Yeah, Santa brought it.
Santa brought it. Say thank you, Santa. You want to call Santa and tell him thank you? He brought that too. He brought your table and chairs. That's your doll.
Look, Sina. This is from Grandma and Grandpa Hoke. Do you want to open that?
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Papa? Hello?
Is that from Santa? Well, good job.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is that for me?
You washing your hands.
Yeah, real water doesn't come out, sweetie.
It's pretend water. Peekaboo.
Yeah, let's open that one, sweetie. Here, come here.
Well,
Hello?
I got it.
You got it? Do you like it? Do you want to open this?
I got it.
Here, get your hand in here and open. Pull. Keep on going.
Good job.
Just put it on the ground.
Okay, thank you.
You got it?
Oh, this is nice.
That's the stove. It's hot, isn't it?
Just keep on opening, sweetie.
It's the oven.
Come here, sweetie. Keep on opening. There's more stuff for you.
That's food for your kitchen.
Yeah. Look. All this can go in your kitchen now.
Thank you, Sina. Maybe we'll bring a bag out. Is that, what do you have there? Is that fish? This is from Grandma and Grandpa Hoke. Can you say thank you, Grandma Hoke? Can you say thank you, Grandma Hoke?
You want these out?
Okay.
Okay.
Look, these are out already. You want to put these in your kitchen? Can you put these in the fridge? In your kitchen, your little fridge, not the real fridge. In Sina's fridge. Just like when we were grocery shopping. You put all those in the fridge?
The fish. Here you go. Look, you can put the whole thing in. You can put the whole crate in, you know?
Okay.
The sausage.
That's it.
Sausage. You gonna say bye-bye for now? We'll open more presents. Say thank you, Santa.